Hello everybody, Lego Boys 3 here! Today I'm going to solve this cube in the snow with my feet. So I guess let's begin. So let's set this cube down in the snow. Wait, that is going to be a problem. Okay, problem solved. So let's scramble this cube up. And here we go. And now I can't do this with boots on. What were you thinking? So boot over there. Boot over there. Inspection. 3, 2, 1, go. But that was fun. My feet still surprisingly aren't that cold. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, leave a like down below. Subscribe to be notified when another video like this comes out. And leave some suggestions for other videos I can make like this. Maybe other things in the snow or whatnot. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!